And we're live. Okay, so we have 625. And then we're going to multiply by, now this 10 to the second power means 10 times 10. Okay, that's what it means. Now we'll do that one first. So we're going to make that, now that's going to become 100. Okay, Lathe. All right, so that's going to become 100. So anytime you multiply by a number 100, it has two zeros. Those two zeros are going to be sent over here. Well, really what happens is these numbers get increased by 100 times. So that's going to be 625. And add your two zeros, or move these get moved over two places, right? So that 600 becomes a 60,000. The 20 becomes a 2,000. 5 becomes a 500. See, 5 times 100 is 500. Yeah, there you go. So that's how you do it. Same thing with the next one. We have 10 to the second power, so that's 1,000 times, and then 10 times 10. And again, that's going to be 10 times 10 is 100. So it's going to be 1,000 times 100. And all you do is add two zeros onto 1,000. And there you go. I should not put a comma there. So you write 1,000, and then you add two more zeros because it's times 100, and that's your number, 100,000. Okay. Does that help? Is that okay? Does that help? You got it? Okay. All right. I hope you do. Yeah. Let me know if you got it. Wrote all the people asking me, a couple of people. I can do another page too if you would like. Cool. All right. Good deal. So I'm going to erase that for a second. And this is page, I believe, 38 in your In Focus books. If you don't have your In Focus book, please just go ahead and use, this is in a Seesaw, so you can use Seesaw. Okay, I'm going to erase this, okay? We're going to go to the next page real quick. And the next page has the third power. I always want to point out something with the third power, that 10 to the third tells me to multiply 10 times 10 times 10. Okay, so the base, whatever number is going to be here, is always right there. And the 3 tells me how many times you're going to multiply it. You can do this with any number. So while we're on the topic, you could do 3 to the second power. And that would tell me, using 3, I'm going to multiply it 2 times. Sorry, 3 2 times. Okay, so 3 is the base. 2 tells me how many times to do it. Anything to the first power is the number. So you can actually have a first power. That just equals 3. That's all you do. All right. Hope that helps a little bit. And 10 times 10 times 10, by the way, is 1,000. It's right there. They even give it to you. Same one for each one. Okay. The last page, you're doing the same thing. This time there's no scaffolding or helping. So it's 907. And then you're going to multiply by 10 times 10 times 10, because there's 3 of them. It has the third power. So the 10 is the base. These are bases, and then they're multiplied 3 times. So that's going to be 10 times 10 is 100, times 10 is 1,000. And then here's where you just add 3 zeros to 907. I'm going to stop recording. Okay.